You're watching How Leap. Let's learn how to delete a playlist on YouTube using the mobile app. Open the YouTube app and tap Library at the bottom right. Tap Playlists. Find the playlist you want to delete. Tap the three vertical dots next to the playlist title. From the menu, select Delete Playlist. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Tap Delete to permanently remove the playlist. The playlist and all its saved videos will be deleted from your channel. If you created the playlist, this action is permanent. If you saved someone else's playlist, deleting it only removes it from your library, not from the creator's channel. To delete a playlist you created while watching, go to the Playlists page by tapping on it. Tap the three-dot menu at the top and select Delete Playlist. Confirm. You can also manage playlists in YouTube Studio. Tap your profile picture, select YouTube Studio, then Content, then Playlists. Find the playlist and select Delete. Remember, deleting a playlist does not delete the individual videos in it from YouTube. They remain on the platform. You can always create a new playlist later. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.